Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Chrysler 300 Series Limited. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chrysler has less than 162,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.